Let's look at the process flow we just discussed for using AI hints. Here, I'm emulating a student, Joe student, and this code is supposed to identify whether an individual should get a key to a building. Let's go ahead and run it. So when I run the code, it'll prompt me and ask if I'm an administrator, teacher, or student. I'm going to select teacher and hit return. And it gives me an inappropriate response. It says I can only get a key if I'm an administrator, teacher, or student, or I can only be one of those choices, when I expected to say I get a key. So Joe gets frustrated. He's not getting the response he wants, clicks on check code, and recognizes, hey, I'm not getting the right response, and the auto grader is telling him that as well. Joe can't figure it out, so he goes to the More tab, and then the conversation choice from the drop-down list, and then types in a question. Hey, I'm struggling to get this program to run. Can you take a look, Mr. K? This is really hard, and hits send. Let's look at the next video to see how the teacher responds.